Have you heard that homeownership is out of reach? That you need $500,000 just to get started? Or that investing in real estate is reserved for the wealthy? It's time to challenge those assumptions. What if there are zip codes in America where homes still sell for less than $75,000? And what if those neighborhoods are just a short drive from major downtowns? Today, discover 20 zip codes across the United States where affordability is still alive. These areas are minutes from bustling cities, offer access to jobs and amenities, and could be perfect for first-time buyers or investors building rental portfolios without facing six-figure price tags. As home prices climb nationwide, affordability hasn't disappeared, it's simply moved. Many older urban neighborhoods and legacy cities remain havens for reasonably priced homes. Surprisingly, these zip codes aren't isolated. They're minutes from downtowns, hospitals, universities, airports, and employment centers. Markets like Detroit, Cleveland, St. Louis, Buffalo, Baltimore, Milwaukee, and Pittsburgh all rank among America's most affordable housing markets. Let's start with Detroit. Detroit is still one of the most affordable large cities. Hundreds of homes are listed below $50,000. Consider these zip codes: 48205, only 15 minutes from downtown; 48213, convenient for major roads and jobs; 48224, on Detroit's east side, 20 minutes from downtown; 48228, affordable on the west side; 48204, close to downtown corridors. For investors, Detroit offers low acquisition costs and strong rental demand. Redevelopment is on the rise, business investment is growing, and new opportunity emerges every day. Next, Cleveland. Cleveland pairs affordability with strong healthcare employment and rental demand. Here are 5 zip codes within 20 minutes of downtown: 44105, 44108, 44110, 44120, 44128. With purchase prices lower than national averages and steady rents, Cleveland is a favorite for cash flow seekers. St. Louis is often overlooked, but it shouldn't be. According to affordability indices, St. Louis remains among the most affordable major housing markets. Look at these zip codes: 63115, 63107, 63113, 63,120, all 10 to 15 minutes from downtown. If you want to own near a major metropolitan area without a six-figure budget, St. Louis should be on your radar. Baltimore offers East Coast proximity and opportunity. Zip codes 21213 and 21217 are just 10 to 15 minutes from downtown. With access to Washington, D.C., medical centers, and the port industry, Baltimore is uniquely positioned for growth. Buffalo has become a comeback story. It's among the most affordable, fueled by renewed investment and economic resurgence. Zip codes 14211 and 14215 sit just 10 minutes from downtown, making Buffalo a market worth close attention for investors. Let's spotlight 2 additional cities. Zip code 53206 in Milwaukee, 10 minutes from downtown, offers affordable housing relative to its peers and a diverse employment base. Zip code 15210 in Pittsburgh, just 15 minutes from downtown, benefits from dramatic economic transformation powered by healthcare, education, and tech. So, who should consider these zip codes? First-time homebuyers tired of renting, families seeking affordable ownership, investors exploring low-cost entry points, and anyone wanting to diversify with rental properties. With FHA loans, you may qualify for homeownership with a credit score as low as 580 and a modest down payment. Even scores between 500 and 579 can still qualify with a bit more money down. That means these opportunities might be far more accessible than most people realize. The biggest mistake is assuming affordable housing is gone. In reality, it's waiting for those willing to look. From Detroit and Cleveland to St. Louis, Buffalo, Baltimore, Milwaukee, and Pittsburgh, affordable homes under $75,000 are still found near major cities. Whether buying your first home, acquiring a rental, or building generational wealth, these markets warrant your research. Take action, explore, learn, and empower yourself to seize the opportunity. Remember, wealth isn't built by waiting for opportunities. It's built by recognizing them before everyone else does. Your next step starts today.